Have you ever felt that no matter what storms rage outside, no matter how loud the world becomes, there is a quiet, radiant light waiting patiently within you? A light so gentle, yet so powerful. A light that can calm your racing thoughts, soothe your aching heart, and fill every corner of your being with pure peace and serenity. Tonight, or in this very moment, we are going to journey together into that light. We are going to awaken the energy, the divine spark that lives within you. The energy that brings joy, clarity, and an unshakable inner peace. But first, take a slow, deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest, and gently release it, letting go of tension, worries, and doubts. Allow your mind to soften, your heart to open, and your soul to listen. Feel the warmth of this light radiating from your heart, flowing through your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your fingers, down to your toes. If you are ready to experience a calm so deep, a light so luminous, a peace so profound that it touches every cell in your body, then stay with me now. And remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to Inner Divine so you may return again and again to this sacred sanctuary of your own inner light, your eternal home of peace and positivity. Body of meditation. 1. Settling in. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your body to feel fully supported by the surface beneath you. Close your eyes and gently let your muscles soften. From the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, feel your feet grounding, connecting with the earth, anchoring you in this very moment. Safe, supported, and steady. Notice your spine, tall, aligned, yet relaxed, free of tension. Your shoulders melting, your arms loose, your hands resting gently. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, letting go of any stress, any lingering thoughts, any tension that no longer serves you. With each breath, imagine a gentle wave of calm flowing through your body, from your chest to your arms, down your legs, to every fingertip and toe. Bring your awareness now to your heart space. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing there, filling your chest, spreading peace, serenity, and love. This is your inner light, your sacred energy. As Swami Yogananda said, "The soul is the source of infinite light. Seek it, and you shall find peace." 2. Breath awareness and energy activation. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall, the gentle rhythm, the natural flow of life within you. Inhale, positivity. Imagine it filling every cell, every fiber, every corner of your body. Exhale, tension, letting go of fear, anger, doubt, letting it dissolve into the air around you. With each breath, feel the light in your heart, growing, expanding, spreading warmth, calm, and positivity. Visualize this light, forming a protective bubble around you. A bubble of love, energy, and divine power. It embraces you, nurtures you, empowers you, keeps you safe. Your inner divine is awake, shining brightly, guiding your mind, your heart, your spirit into deep serenity. Stay here. Breathe slowly, and let this energy flow freely throughout your being. 3. Visualization, light and positivity. Now, Imagine a beautiful sunrise. Its golden rays, slowly, gently, touching your skin, warming your heart, filling you with light. Every ray is infused with positive energy, hope, and pure, radiant light. Feel it pouring over your body, flowing over your mind, and spreading through your spirit. See your body, glowing, radiant, vibrant, filled with energy. Every worry, every doubt, dissolving into this warm, healing light. Feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, happier, more aligned, more connected with your inner divine. As Yogananda taught, visualize perfection, and the universe shall respond. Visualize yourself surrounded by positivity, by love, by light. See your friends, family, strangers, all touched by this radiant energy. And you, a beacon of peace, a channel of divine energy, shining, illuminating the world around you. 4 Affirmations for inner peace and light. Now, softly, repeat these affirmations, either silently or aloud. I am a being of light. I radiate peace, love, and positivity. My heart is calm, my mind is clear. I am aligned with the divine energy within me. I release all fear. I welcome joy. I am grateful for this moment, this breath, this life. Feel each word resonate through your body, through every cell, changing your energy, lifting your vibration. Each affirmation, like a seed planted deep within your soul, growing, glowing, shining. Stay here. Breathe slowly, and let this energy fill every part of your being. 5 Body scan and deep relaxation. Now, gently bring your attention to your body. Notice every sensation, every part of you. Start with your toes. Feel them, relaxed, light, connected, grounded to the earth beneath you. Move slowly to your feet, your ankles, your calves, your knees. Notice any tension. Breathe into it and let it go. Move to your thighs, your hips, your lower back. Feel warmth, comfort, energy flowing freely. Move to your stomach, your chest, your shoulders. Relax. Let go. Surrender. Move to your arms, your hands, your fingers. Finally, to your neck, your jaw, your face, your scalp, your whole body. Now, bathed in light, floating in peace, calm, serenity. Every cell, relaxed, harmonious, aligned with your inner divine. 6 Inner divine connection. Now, bring your focus back to your heart. Feel the light, growing brighter, stronger, expanding with every breath. Allow this light to reach your mind, your soul, your spirit, filling every corner of your being. Imagine this light connecting you to the universe, to the divine energy, present everywhere. As Yogananda said, within you is the infinite. Within you is God. Feel that connection. Feel that love, that energy, that pure, infinite awareness. You are aligned. You are guided. You are safe. Breathe in this divine light. Breathe out any remnants of darkness, any tension, any fear. Allow the light to cleanse, to heal, to restore your being. Slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you. Notice your body, your breath, your heartbeat. Steady, calm, alive. Feel the energy, the positivity, the light. Still glowing within you. Flowing through every cell. Filling your being with warmth, serenity, and strength. Know that you can carry this peace, this inner light, throughout your day, through every moment, through every thought, through every action. Take a deep, long, nourishing breath in. Hold it, feel it. And exhale slowly, letting go. Releasing any remnants of tension, worry, or doubt. Feel gratitude for this moment, for your body, for your heart, for your soul, for simply being. When you are ready, gently begin to open your eyes, bringing with you this sense of calm, this inner divine, this light, this energy, this peace. Carry it with you, everywhere, in everything you do, sharing it with the world, without effort, naturally. And remember, you can always return to this sanctuary within your heart, to this sacred space of light, of energy, of inner peace. If you enjoyed this meditation, subscribe to Inner Divine and be part of a journey of light, of energy, of infinite inner peace. Thank you for sharing this hour with yourself and with the universe.